Hello, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins Manufacturing. Today we're going to talk about how to install a simulator on the chair that you ordered the simulator later and was not installed from the factory. So one of the first things you need to do is make sure that, if it's a Collins chair, you need to make sure that it does not have the outside back on it. In the Collins chairs, the wood is on the back of the chair. If it's a standard hydraulic style chair, you'll be able to fill the wood 3/4 of an inch thick. For a Collins chair, we recommend using 1-inch coarse drywall screws to install it, because you have about 1/8 of an inch of bracket, 3/4 of wood. If it's a non-Collins chair, you'll need to determine the thickness of your wood and adjust the screw size accordingly. So what you'll do to get your simulator is adjust the bracket so that it's approximately 1/2 inch below the top edge of the chair. And I would put the simulator on it, and then help that get you centered on your chair. Once you establish the center point and it's straight up and down, then you're simply going to just take a drill and install the screws straight through the vinyl into the wood back. Now this process can also be used for if you decide to install a headrest. So if you buy a headrest, this is just a generic headrest, not for this chair necessarily. But you would kind of follow the same process where you would get your bracket about 1/2 inch below the edge of the wood. Again, get it centered and get it level, and then just install the 4 screws, and then after that you're ready to use your headrest. Again, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins. Thank you.